Welcome guys to another video. In this video I'm showing you guys how to make over $2,000 every month from Clickbank as a beginner. Okay, so all the video I'll be doing on Clickbank will be focusing more on free traffic. So if you missed out my first Clickbank video, kindly check out the last video I uploaded. Okay, it's a 2 days ago video, just check it out. Okay, so before I show you guys the new traffic method I want to show you guys now, kindly hit the subscribe button if you have not, if you are new to this channel. Okay, because this channel I post video about making money online. You can see there are different videos. Okay, both CP marketing, affiliate marketing, survey sites, paying apps and website. Many videos. Okay, you can watch and start making money from them. Okay, and also don't forget to drop your comments below. Comment your country, the country you are from, so I can keep posting content available in your country. So we'll start without wasting much of your time. Come over to your Clickbank account. Okay, for this video I also want to show you a sample like this product, because most people don't, people like going for products people are rushing like weight loss, but in this affiliate marketing I want you to be unique. Don't follow other people's steps. Try promoting products that is less competition, so you get the highest conversion, whereas you be promoting a weight loss product where other big people are promoting, you are likely not to make any sale because you have larger traffic than you. So those ones that are meant to buy from you are already buying for them already. So this video I'm just using this product Vital Flow because it's a portrait product. Okay, and first thing I want you guys to know is that first check the gravity. Actually this gravity is poor, usually 56.38. Actually choose product with gravity of at least 100. Okay, because it's just a tutorial video. And also you can see average sale. Okay, if I make a sale I'm likely to get $136 from just one sale. I mean if you make 10 sale, over $1,300. Okay, so first thing you have to do is google about the product. Okay, as you can see on Vital Flow, you can come over to google about it, but I've read about it already. It's a weight loss supplement. Sorry, it's a weight loss, a poultry supplement. So first thing you have to do is generate your uplink. When you tap on it for you to generate your uplink, your nickname will show here. Okay, it didn't show, so let me just enter my nickname. Then I'll just generate my uplink. So this is my uplink. So the next thing you have to do here is come over to Bitly. You can register an account, but before you to register an account, so you can keep register account to see the stats. That means you can see the number of people that click your link, the country, and where that means the referral. That means if they click your link through Facebook or WhatsApp, anyone, so just click sign up. It's free. Then when you, on your dashboard you see where to shorten link. But in this video I'll just shorten the link because the link is too long. Shorten it. So I'll copy the shortened link now. So now I want to show you guys the traffic method. Okay, that is actually working, that you guys can start using now, and you start making passive income from this. Okay, it might take time, it's not immediately, but it's step by step. Okay, because it's like building your traffic. So now I'm on my Facebook account, and this is a group I created for that product. See, with over 206 members, and these members are not anyhow members, are people interested in the product. Okay, see, I wrote tips for healthy portraits. I give the group name healthy portrait tips. Okay, you can see, come over to the post, you see, like I started this group last year. Okay, I started, then I stopped for some while because I was focusing on other things. You can see I just put a text and I pinned it to be at the top of the group. So anybody that enter this group will surely see this. And I see I wrote, are you suffering from prostate infection and it's really affecting your health? Buy this product called Vital Flow. It cures enlarged prostate within weeks and it has been approved and recommended by medical staff. It costs only $69. Okay. You have to check the price of the product. Okay, when you tap on this, the price of the product, okay, it's cost only $69. Okay, and add other like free shipping to your address. I can pay your ATM card. Then you can see below it I wrote buy Vital Flow now using this link below. Then I added my bit.ly link. Okay, you can see it has been viewed by 47 users and there are some comments beneath it. You can see what is it, a medicine or just a supplement? Okay, supplements and medicine is just almost the same thing, just as medicine is like tablet and supplement is like liquid in liquid form. Okay, you can see, and I keep posting. I recently posted this. I see I have a new medicine that cure enlarged prostate. See if you're interested, you should comment. And I also try to like persuade them. Like you can see I added 60 days money back guarantee to show that okay, if they purchase it and it not work for them, they can get their money back. And also you can see more posts. You can share little tips and also try to convince them to purchase the product. Okay, that's how it works. But firstly, if you want to create a group, create a public group and you limit it. You like in your settings, the group settings, no one can post. And if they post, they can post, but it won't show automatically. You have to approve their posts. You see all that when you're trying to create your group. It's very simple. You can get one of these emails, download it from Google, okay, and just set up it. It's very simple. Your group name, then so when you create your group as first, you have 0 members and the rest. Try at the beginning, try posting tips like on Google tips like three healthy posture tips. Can Google it. Sorry, three healthy prostate tips. You can just like copy this all. You can copy this all and copy and come over to your group here and post it. Then when you post it, what I want you to do next is come over to your Facebook search here and search for groups related to yours. I use portrait. You can also write LD prostate. You see some groups related to mine. Okay, let me scroll down and select only groups. You can see there are some groups 493 members, 629 members. So you just join. When after you have joined them, what you have to do next is the post you created on your own group, on your personal group, you can share the post. You can see the share button here. When you tap on it to notify you where you want to share it to, is either friends, newsfeed, then you tap on share to other groups. Let me show you. You see it here, share to a group, then you enter the group name, then you can post it there. But tap on post straight now, you see the group name there. You can see, you can just tap on it and you can post there. So doing this way, your post will get viewed by people in other posts, and also when it get posted, it's your group name will also show there. So doing that, you'll be able to get people to come to your group and join your group. Simple. At first, start with sharing tips so they can join you. Then after you have started getting members, then you can start posting your affiliate link. Okay, that's all for this method. I hope you guys enjoy one or two things. I really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Thank you.